Hello, dear friends and valuable viewers. How are you all? I hope all are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Engineer Polash Mojumdar, instructor, Chatpuri Janata High School and College, Kumila Srodha South, Kumila, Bangladesh in front of you. Now I am sharing some documents and issues with you. Please all are watching and comments us for next time exclusive something to do for our students. I hope all are encourage us. Please come on with us and watching our presentation. Good afternoon, sir. Lokande sir, good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Madam, good afternoon. Hello. Hi, Ra, madam. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already 6 minutes over. We can start our
Yes.
program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. Ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Are you listen to me?
Hi, Ra, madam.
Hello, madam. Hello. Lokanda sir.
Yes, sir.
You are ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
I can.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Francis, sir,
Good
how are you?
Fine, sir. Fine.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir,
Welcome.
now we can start our session.
Yes, sure, sir.
Francis, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Suravshi, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
you can
Yes, sir.
our opening speech.
Opening speech.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir. Okay, sir. Please.
Yes.
Please, sir.
I'm heartily welcome to all respected members of our India-Bangladesh telecollaboration. Very good afternoon to all of you. Today, it's our 10th session. Am I right? Hello? Hello?
11th session. 11th.
11th session. Once again, I heartily welcome to all of you. And today's our topic first is quality education. And second one is our region geographical area of our region.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first, I will request to honorable members, if anyone is ready with PPT or videos, they can share their PPTs or videos.
Yes, sir. Lokanda, sir. Please, you can start your presentation.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Respected today's host, Mr. Palash sir, my friend Suryavanshi sir, respected Madam Varsha Rao. I thank all of you for giving me the opportunity for breaking the ice here and starting with the session.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
I am fine, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What about all of you?
Sir, okay, sir.
All are
All are
fine,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Fine.
Okay, okay. Uh, hello.
Hello.
Who is presenting first?
Sir, Lokanda sir is first.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Sir, is it on the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our today's session. It is session number 11 about geography of your region, and second topic is quality education. Now let us see about the geography. As you all know, I am from Maharashtra. Maharashtra is very important state in our country, that is India. It is the third largest state and second largest having population state in India. Marathi is the official language of this state, and some dialects are there which I would like to introduce you. First of all, Waradi. Waradi is a dialect of Marathi language. This language is spoken. Hello.
नहीं नहीं. Continue, continue. Sorry for disturb.
Waradi is a language. It is a dialect of Marathi and it is spoken in western Vidarbha region of Maharashtra. Then the districts in which Waradi is spoken is Buldana, Akola, Amravati, Nagpur. In all these 4 to 5 districts, Waradi language is spoken. It is very much famous for its rhythm. Then Jhadi Boli. This is the second dialect spoken in Maharashtra. It is spoken in Jhadi Pranta. Jhadi Pranta means the region where there are forests. It is of far eastern Maharashtra or eastern Vidarbha or western central Gondwana, comprising Gondia, Bhandara, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, and some parts of Nagpur districts in Maharashtra. Jadiboli, Sahitya Mandal, and many literary figures are working for the conservation of this important and distinct dialect of Marathi. Friends, dialects are very important in our cultural life, religious life, and our day-to-day life, because these dialects depicts the very important part of our religion and our culture. So they should be conserved, and some of the groups, volunteers, are working to conserve such type of dialects. Second, next one, Tanjavur Marathi. Namdev Shimpi Marathi, Arya Marathi, Bhavsar Marathi are some of the dialects of Marathi spoken by many descendants of Maharashtra who migrated to southern India. These dialects retain the 17th century basic form of Marathi and have been considerably influenced by the Dravidian languages. After the migration, these dialects have speakers in various parts of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. This dialect is known as Tanjavur Marathi. Tanjavur Marathi is spoken in Tanjore, Tamil Nadu. Then Jadev Marathi spoken by Beni Israel Jews. East Indian Marathi is spoken by the Indian Christian East Indian ethno-religious group. Other Marathi Konkan languages and dialects spoken in Maharashtra include Maharashtrian Konkani, Malwani, Sangameshwari, Agri, and Warli, Vadavali, and Samvedi Marathi. These are the various dialects in Maharashtra state. Then the railways in Maharashtra. Railway services are part and parcel of our day-to-day life. Due to COVID-19, it has some restrictions, no doubt, but they play very important role in our commercial as well as day-to-day life. The first train steamed off from Boribandar to Thane. The distance occupied was 34 km, and it was run on April 16th, 1853. At that time, British were the rulers in India. Major railway junctions in Maharashtra are Bombay, Victoria Terminus. Bombay is now called as Mumbai. Then Dadar, Thane, Nagpur, and near to our Jalgaon, Bhusawal is the junction station. It is also one of the most important station of Central Railway. Then water resources in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is mainly covered by basins of the Krishna, the Godavari, the Tapi, except the western flowing rivers of Konkan Strip. A small portion on north comes under Narmada Basin. The major rivers which flow through Maharashtra states are the Godavari, the Krishna, the Tapi, the Indravati, the Vardha, the Manjira, the Painganga, and the Purna. These are the most important rivers in Maharashtra, and they play very important and crucial role to resource the Maharashtrian people by their water. Then climate of Maharashtra. Let us consider about the climate. Maharashtra has got variable climate from continental to typical maritime depending upon the location and physiography. The coastal districts of Konkan experience heavy rains but mild winter. Most of the part of Konkan is surrounded by the Western Ghats, and due to the topmost part of Maharashtra higher than other parts, there is heavy rain throughout the year. The maximum and minimum temperature varies between 27 degrees centigrade and 40 degrees centigrade and 14 degrees centigrade and 27 respectively. The maximum summer temperature varies between 36 degrees centigrade and 41, and during winter the temperature oscillates between 10 to 16 degrees centigrade. Rainfall starts in the first week of June, and July is the wettest month. Sorry, rainfall in Maharashtra differs from region to region. As speaking about the Khandes, here also now the rainy season has started, and at the beginning of the June month, it is likely to rain. Before 2 or 3 days, there was rain in our region. Okay, then ports. Mumbai is the leading port of the country. Mumbai is called as natural port also. This port was used in the age of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj also, which handles much of the export and imports of the country. Besides Mumbai port, there are 54 minor ports located in various parts of the state of the Arabian Sea. Then Maharashtra is also famous for its tourism. Various hill stations, various places full of natural beauty, scenery, sanctuaries are there, and people are all around India as well as all around the world come to visit these tourist places. So tourism in Maharashtra is also very important. Maharashtra has lot of important tourist places. The world famous caves, the Ajanta caves, and the glorious rock-cut temple of Ellora are situated close to major city of the Aurangabad. There are caves like Elephanta near Mumbai and Kanneri and Kerala caves. Sorry, Karla caves. In the Western Ghats, Mahabaleshwar is the most important hill station. It is a fine place to visit. Other important tourists in Maharashtra are Matheran, Panchgani, Jawar, Marses Ghat, Amboli Ghat, Chikaldara, Pannala Fort, Pannala Hill Station, etc. Some of the important religious places are Pandharpur, Nasik, Shirdi, Nanded, औढा नागनाथ, त्र्यंबकेश्वर, तुळजापूर, गणपतीपुळे, भीमाशंकर, हरिहरेश्वर, and Segaon. All these places are religious places, and people go to visit and take the darshans of their deities and lords. Mumbai is one of the major tourist attractions for its beaches and museum, parks, hotels, trade and industry, and of course the film city that is called as Bollywood. Then mines and minerals. Maharashtra is also one of the most important state in India, famous for its industrial clusters, industries, commerce, and businesses. Mines and minerals are abundant in Maharashtra. Minerals of state include coal, manganese, limestone, chromite, bauxite, iron, petroleum, and ilmenite. These are the main mines and minerals found in the soil of Maharashtra. With its K location linking the north and south India, Maharashtra established itself as the industrial backbone of the country. This state accounts 25% of industrial output of the country. You can imagine how we should proud about our state, that is Maharashtra, that 25% of the industrial business take place in alone Maharashtra. Food products, breweries, tobacco and related products, cotton textile products, paper and paper products, printing and publishing, rubber, plastic, petroleum, coal products, basic chemicals, chemical products, metal products and parts, machinery, except electrical machinery, apparatus and appliances, pharmaceuticals, electronics, automobiles, and transport equipment and parts contribute substantially to the industrial areas, industrial factories. So, plenty of industries you will find in Maharashtra, and through these industries, people get employment, and that is why Maharashtra, we can say that one of the richest state also in our country. Then, shall I continue with the second point, sir? Hello, sir. Okay. The second topic is quality education, and in this topic, mm, it is we have to mention about the current situation of COVID-19 pandemic in our country. Before 8 to 10 days, there was very fearful situation in our country. But nowadays, after in 3 or 5 days, it is the situation is right in control now. The patients are decreasing. The number of patients are decreasing, and there is some relaxation for the for the hospitals and the Ministry of Health. Uh, Thanks for the governments and for the COVID frontiers who are working day and night to to make the people relax in our country and to make the less fear in the mind of people. But COVID-19 has played very crucial life in our education field, crucial part in our education field also. Since the last year, we are facing the problems. There is problem for connecting our students, connecting our teachers, and giving them quality education. But we are trying our best, and we are following various steps to outshadow all these to outshadow this situation. And I am very much sure that we will definitely find out a good result. Continue with our quality education. Hello. Some disturbances.
Continue.
Uh, while reaching to our students, we are following various nowadays technologies with our mobile phones, with our laptops to connect with our learners and to give them quality education at our level best. We are using WhatsApp, we are using the videos related to our subject topics and share with our students. Then we also we also plan various online meetings with our learners and with our co-teachers on Google Meet as well as Zoom app. Thanks to the technology which are providing us the facilities to reach to our learners and help them to improve themselves as well as imparting them quality education. But still now we should we should follow some safety measurements. What safety measurements are followed in our country? We clean our hands often with proper soap, hand washes. Then while sneezing or coughing, we bend to our elbow, not our hands. Then we are avoiding touching our eyes, nose and mouth in this pandemic situation. We are limiting ourselves. We are avoiding to contact social gatherings like parties, birthday parties, marriage festivals, and other some events where there is lot of crowd. And we try to spend time in crowded places. Then we avoid close contact with someone who is sick. We are using every now and then the mask around our nose and mouth while speaking with one another. Then we are cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched objects and surfaces. Then here are some safety steps to follow. First of all, I would like to tell all of you that we must wash our hands. Clean hands will help to lower the risk of infection. Your visitor and the people who take care of you at home should also wash their hands and use hand sanitizer frequently. Then speak up if you are pain. Let someone know if you are in pain or if you are having side effects from your pain medicine. Pay attention to how you feel and tell us about your symptoms. Then next safety measure is protect your skin. Change your position. It is for the patients who are on bed, or it is for the people at most obviously the elder people, old people at our home. who are lying on the bed uh, during the day and nights, they should change their position in bed often and safety move around as much as you can prevent bed sores. And they must check their skin every day and try to keep the skin clean and dry. Then, while getting out of bed, we must take help of our nurses, doctors, or our other family members who are ready to help with us. After that, we should take our medicine. It is important to take our medicine exactly as the doctor prescribes. If you have any questions about your medicine or side effects, then we should request our doctor and ask the details about that side effects and the medicine. Get moving. Then you must ask the doctor or the nurses or your other family members who are taking care of you for how much you should move out of the bed, and you should take the help of those people. Then don't smoke. It is not important for the patients but also for us. We should quit the smoking if we are chain smoker or we are smoking every now and then, because smoking is dangerous. It is injurious for our body. If you smoke, talk to your doctor about quitting it. Patients who don't smoke, remember it, patients who don't smoke recover more quickly. So, health is wealth. We all should remember this, and the first wealth in our life is our health. We should always try to protect our health from various diseases in this pandemic situation. And I thank you for I thank you all of you for your cooperation by you shown to me. Thank you very much. And
Very nice.
Very much, sir. Your nice
Nice, sir.
presentation.
Nice.
Excellent.
Very good, sir.
thank you, all of you.
Jadhav sir.
Sir, I'm on the way to home. I will take the next session. First, ask
Iro ma'am, you are ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Please continue your presentation, please.
Yes. Sir. Jadhav, sir. Hello. Sir, I send the PPT on your
I'm on the way, ma'am. Mobile is in the pocket.
Madam.
Hello.
Hello,
yes.
madam. You can
Hello,
send your
sir.
PPT.
Can you take the session? Hello.
Hello. Hello, Jadhav, sir. I send the PPT.
I am on the way. I am on the way. Palash sir.
Yes, sir.
Palash sir, can you take the session?
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
Can you take the session? Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Jadhav sir. Jadhav sir.
The mobile is in my pocket and I am on the way to home. So Palash sir is taking the session.
But Jadhav sir, you can take halt of 1 or 2 minutes and send those PPTs on my number.
What?
Send Ira madam's PPT on my number. I can share it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, are you sharing the PPTs to Lokande sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Jadhav, Ira madam,
Yes, sir.
do you have my mobile number?
No, sir.
Please write it down and send the PPTs to me. Shall I tell you?
Ha.
8830
Huh.
162515
1625.
255.
Double eight
Uh,
three
dear,
one
dear
six
Palas,
two five two five. Lastly,
15
two word 15. Okay.
15.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Dear Palas sir,
Yes, sir.
without wasting time, please you can
No problem,
continue.
sir. No problem, sir.
Huh?
I have a 6 minute in
Okay.
this 40-minute time.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can start.
No, sir. No,
Ma-
sir. I send the
Madam,
PPT.
Okay, sir. Now I can start.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
sir. Yes.
You are
Okay.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay. RMSA. Lakhanda sir.
Pardon, sir.
Skin is look skin.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is
Okay.
visible, sir. Languages of Bangladesh. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Very good afternoon, all respected dear sir and madam. Namaste.
Very good
Assalamualaikum.
afternoon.
Must.
Namaste.
At the beginning of my welcome to take my heartiest felicitation in the heartfelt afternoon. I hope all are very well at the moment. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Today's our session number 11, date 3 June 2021. International experience, India, Bangladesh. This is Engineer Palash Majumdar, Instructor, Chatpur Janata High School and College, Kumila, Sadar South, Kumila, Bangladesh. Our project member, Session 11, Quality Education, about Geography and about Quality Education. Region in Geography. A region in an area that includes a number of places, all of which have something in common. Geography is categorize region in two basic ways, physical and cultural. Physical regions are defined by landform, climate, soil, and natural vegetation. Geographical region example. A region is a basic unit of geographic study. It is defined as an area that has unifying characteristics. For example, the peaks and valleys of the Rocky Mountain from a physical region. Some regions are distinguished by human characteristics. Language of Bangladesh. There are about 33 languages spoken across Bangladesh. The official language Bengali is spoken by the vast majority people, but there are many indigenous languages spoken in some region of the country and several foreign and immigrant language. Language of Bangladesh. Language of Bangladesh, official Bengali, national Bengali, official Bengali and English. Regional Bengali, Chittagong, Dhakayan, Kutti, Rangpuri, Sylheti, Barandi. Bengali dialects, Chittagonian dialects, Kumila dialects, Manobhumi dialects, Rangpuri dialects, Rahi dialects, Sundarbani dialects, Sylheti dialects, Barandari dialects. Chittagong language or Chittagayan. Example, Chittagong language is an Indigo Arayan language is spoken in Chittagong division in Bangladesh. It is spoken identifying with Bengali cultural and Bengali as literacy language, but the two are not mutually intelligible. How many rivers are there in Bangladesh? There are, according to Brahmaputra, 700 rivers flow in Bangladesh. Banglapedia 700 rivers flow in Bangladesh, but the information is old and obsolete. There is a including tributaries flow through a county constructing is waterway of total length around 24,140 kilometers, include by 15,000 miles. List of the famous rivers of Bangladesh. There are many rivers in Bangladesh and many named Arialka, Artai, Bangali, Baral, Boishakhi, Bhairav, Brahmaputra, Buriganga, Burgona, Daleshwari, Defa, Feni, Gori Madhumati, Gomati, Horiara, Jalarkha, Jamuna. Jamuna is our national river. Hey, etc. It's many river. National river of Bangladesh. The Jamuna river is the national river of Bangladesh. It is the main distributary channel of the Brahmaputra river as the flow from India to Bangladesh. The Jamuna flows south and join in the Padma river. That means Padma near Gwalanda Ghat before meeting the Meghna river near Satpur. Main river of Bangladesh. Bangladesh has predominantly four major river system: the Brahmaputra, Jamuna, and Ganas, Padma, and Surma, Meghna, and Chittagong region river system. However, Brahmaputra is the 22nd longest, that is 2,850 kilometers, and the Janars is the 13th largest river in the world. Ganga and Brahmaputra is our largest river. Ghat, that means Lance Ghat, Ferry Ghat, etc. The system of placing out ghats to famous or obelisk under the Cornwallis Code of 9 Colonies Code of 1793. During the British period, the most important ghats of Dhaka city were Sodar Ghat, Jahangira Ghat, Sarai Ghat is called Sarai Ghat, Pagla Ghat, and Mirpur Ghat. Ferrying service developed at the sustainable point along both sides of the big river of transporting vessels, goods, and people are also called ghats. Arisha, Nagawari, Dalvadia, Mawa, and Bodawari bird, ghats of Bangladesh are the best example of this type. What is the percentage of hill area in Bangladesh? For up limited blocks, including the what is the percentage of hill area in Bangladesh? For updated blocks, including the Mahabubpur and Baranda track in the center of the Nagas occupy 9% of steep in hill range up to approximately 1,000 meters high, occupy 12% in the southeast Chittagong Hill track and in the northeast. Chittagong Hills. The Chittagong Hills, which constitute the only significant hill system in the country, rise steeply through narrow ridge with altitude from 600 to 1,000 meters above the sea level. List of the
त्याच्यात पण बरं.
tracks above 3,000 feet. Rank 1. Morongdang elevation 3,465 feet. 1,056 meters. Location
मारतोडची गावा.
Ansi, Bandarbana. Chittagong Hills. The Chittagong Hills, which constitute the only significant hill system in country, rise steep on narrow right lines. The altitude from the 600 to 1,000 meters above sea level, placed of the track above 300 meters. List of the mountain of Bangladesh. Our list 14 mountain list in there. It is Saka, Hapang, Jao Trilang, Dularang, Karagarang, Manjabang, Hafin, Karagadang, Manjagama, Hapang. That is our hill area of mountain. Bangladesh highest mountain, Rangthang Chittagong is 957 meters, and its very height of our Chittagong Hill. Mainly Chittagong Hill is highest hill. Roads and highway in Bangladesh. The total highway length of more than 21,000 kilometers roads and highway. It's Dhaka, Kaspur, Madanpur, Manamoti, Chittagong, Manaskantak, Santigana, Teknaf, etc. Is a road length is 455 kilometers. What is the male and female ratio of Bangladesh? Our 102.25 males per 100 females Bangladesh. Males to female ratio of the total population in Bangladesh 2020, male to female ratio for Bangladesh was 102.25% is male and 100% is female. Male to female ratio average usually 109.25 male and 100 female, 1950 to 2020. What is the per capita income in Bangladesh? The per capita income in Bangladesh has now increased from $2,064. That means our currency of Taka is 1,88,873 Taka. Planning Minister M.A. Mannan revised on Monday. What are the major sectors of the economy in Bangladesh? The Bangladesh economy is dimensioned by the service sector. It is accorded to 56.3% and GDP in FY 2015, followed by the industry 28.1% and agriculture 15.5%, manufacturing a subset of the industry sector according to the 17.6% in of GDP. So thank you so much for watching and valuable time being for me.
Hello.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
nice
you.
presentation, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Very
you,
nice, sir.
Thank you.
Full of creativity.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Really very nice presentation, Mr. Palash, sir.
Thank you, Jadhav sir. Now I stop my share, and now my last part is discuss on Nazmun Nahar Shioli. Jadhav sir.
Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. Shelly ma'am, are you ready? Hello. Okay. Please screen share and your presentation, please.
What is in my pocket? Papa, what is in my bonia?
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon.
Namaste. Good afternoon.
Namaste.
Good afternoon, Shuli ma'am.
Good afternoon. আমি এতক্ষণ ছিলাম না। At first, I would like to thanks to our honorable sir ma'am for giving me an opportunity to say something about today's topic. Session nung 11, date 3/6/2020. SDG nung 4, quality education. International experience, India, Bangladesh. This is Nazmun Nahar Shioli, assistant teacher, Matlab JB Govt Pilot High School, Matlab South, Chatpur. This is our honorable project members. Session nung 11, quality education, about geography and about quality education. I discuss about quality education. Current status of COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most affected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. Safety measures are following in our place. ওইটা ওই জুমে দিয়াটা যে আসে দেখা যাইতেছে না 10 safety measures that you should teach our kind kids at home. Number 1 হচ্ছে teach your kids to always keep the doors closed. Ensure that kids know the contact information. Number 3 হচ্ছে teach the kids not to trust stranger or accept gifts from strangers. Number 4, no playing on the road. Number 5 হচ্ছে never share personal information online. Number 6, teach your children about their body. Number 7, no inviting friends over without the consent of parents or guardians. Number 8, no accessing certain rooms unsupervised. Number 9 হচ্ছে never to take anything given to them by people they don't know. Number 10, teach the children to stay away from dangerous products. How can connect with students during COVID-19? Key virtually teaching technique: connect with students, engage. Real life situation, problems and examples, variety, role play, assignments, field works, hands-on experiments, group discussion and PPT presentation. Active learning, ensure that active learning takes place. Students teaching, students can teach each other the material within the classroom, i.e. think, pair, share. Review, prior information students or teachers per review. Evaluation of student learning, evaluation of classroom teaching. Feedback, giving critical feedback in order to improve teacher self-reflection. 5 ways teachers can connect with students during COVID-19. Communication with parents is huge. Number 2, finding new ways to keep students engaged is valuable. Number 3 হচ্ছে reading platforms are foundational. Number 4, small virtual classrooms are best. Number 5 হচ্ছে recognize the individual wins. What is the innovation in teaching and learning? Innovations in teaching: choose based credit system, credit transfer system, special coaching for slow learners, advanced learner, self-learning modules, assignments, seminar reports, project reports, extra academic activities, curricular components, online library facilities. Innovative methods of teaching strategies that will help every teacher in the classroom. Crossover teaching, teaching through smart boards, teaching through flipping classrooms, teaching through collaboration, teaching through virtual reality, teaching through 3D printing technology, teaching through cloud computing. Digital tools for teachers to use in the classroom. Google Classroom. This is Google service allows teachers to organize their class, interact with students, grade their work, check on their progress and much more. editing services, classmaker, তারপর হচ্ছে কি Edmodo, Kahoot. What is Zoom and how do I use it? Zoom. With the Zoom mobile app on Android and iOS, you can start or join a meeting. By default, the Zoom mobile app displays the active speaker view. If one or more participants join the meeting, you will see a video thumbnail in the bottom right corner. You can view up to 4 participants' video at the same time. Zoom meeting, Windows, Mac. Open the Zoom desktop client. Join a meeting using one of these methods. Click join a meeting if you want to join without signing in. Enter the meeting ID member and your display name. Select if you would like to connect audio and or video and click join. How do you zoom in for the first time? Here are some basic instructions for scheduling your first meeting. Sign in to your Zoom web portal, click meetings, click schedule a meeting, choose the date and time for your meeting, optional. Select an other setting you would like to use. Click save. What is Google Meet and how does it work? Google Meet is a video conferencing service from Google. It was originally only available to enterprise customers, but everyone can now use Google Meet for free. Google Meet is available on the web and phones and tablets for Android and iOS. Google Meet is primarily designed as a way to host video meetings. How to use Google Meet free? Go to meet.google.com or open the app on the iOS or Android or start a meeting from Google Calendar. Click start new meeting or enter your meeting code. Choose the Google account you want to use. Click join meeting. You will have the ability to add others to your meeting too. What is YouTube and how does it work? YouTube provides a simple way for people to store videos online and share them with others. YouTube videos cover any topic anyone cares to upload a video about. These videos are easy to share via other forms of social media and email and websites, and can also be embedded in other websites. How do I get started on YouTube? YouTube for business. 10 things you need to get started. Define your goals. Create a channel icon, channel art, about section. Begin making and uploading videos. Create a playlist. Share your videos. Analyze your data. Stay engaged with your audience. Make your video accessible. How do you start a YouTube channel for beginners? Start with the basics. Sign into YouTube and click on the user icon at the top right of the screen. Click on the gear icon to get to your account's YouTube settings. Click on create a new channel, then choose use a business or other name. Add your brand name and click create. What is WhatsApp and how does it work? WhatsApp is a messaging app that lets users text, chat and share media, including voice messages and video with individuals or groups. How does WhatsApp work? WhatsApp relies on data to send message like message or BBM, so it doesn't cut into your monthly text allotment. How use WhatsApp step by step? How to install WhatsApp? Install the app from the Play Store, Android or App Store, iPhone. Launch the app and approve the requested permission. Enter your phone number and tap confirm. Enter the verification code received via SMS. WhatsApp may do this automatically. Import existing contacts into the app optional. Thank you so much for your sincere cooperation. Thank you, everyone. ওইটা কোথায় ইয়াটা
Thank you, ma'am.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Nice
ওয়েলকাম
presentation.
ওয়েলকাম স্যার
Nice presentation, Shruti ma'am.
ইয়েস স্যার
Very nice presentation.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার
Suranshi sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Are you ready? Or can I ask Airo ma'am? Yes, sir.
Maybe Iron ma'am is net problem. It's coming up and down. Francis sir, you can start your session. Hello.
Have you shared any videos, Suranshi sir?
Francis sir is not in here.
Hello.
Hello, Lokande sir.
Sir, Raw madam is
Ah,
facing
Yes,
some
yes,
technical
he is there.
problem.
He is there.
Hi, yes, there now.
Hello.
Hi, Lokande sir.
Jadhav sir.
Yes.
Jadhav sir.
Yes, sir.
May I start, sir?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. Very good
Okay,
afternoon to
okay.
all of you.
Good
And
afternoon.
welcome to the session number 11. Geographical condition of our region. So, all the members in our group are from Maharashtra. I would like to show you one video. In that video, the regional area of Maharashtra and other things are explained. I would like to show you that video, and I request to Mr. Jadhav sir, please share the video. Jadhav sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I will read, sir. Sir, Jadhav sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
I want to read because today is no sound, only music is there. That music you can stop and only video you play, sir. Please.
Okay.
I will read, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, there are 6 neighboring states of Maharashtra. First one is Gujarat to the northwest, second Madhya Pradesh to the north, third Goa southwest, fourth Chhattisgarh east, fifth Karnataka, sixth Karnataka to south, and sixth Telangana to southeast. Sir, next. Then administrative divisions of the Maharashtra. First one, Amravati division, Berar division. Districts of Amravati divisions are Amravati, Buldana, Akola, Washim, and Yavatmal. Number of 5 districts in Amravati division. Second one is Aurangabad division. That is called as also Marathwada division. District of Aurangabad division, Aurangabad, Bid, Hingoli, Jalna, Latur, Nanded, Usmanabad, Parbhani. Number of 8 districts in Aurangabad division. Then third one is Konkan division. Districts of Konkan divisions are Mumbai city, Mumbai suburban, Palghar, Raigarh, Ratnagiri, and last one is Sindhudurg and Thane also. Number of districts are 7 in Konkan division. Nagpur division number 4. Districts of Nagpur divisions are Bhandara, Chandrapur, Gadchiroli, Gondia, Nagpur, Wardha. Number of 6 districts are there in Nagpur division. Number 5, Nashik division. That is also known as North Maharashtra. In this division, we all members are living, sir. Follow, sir. Okay, the districts of North Maharashtra are Nandurbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nasik, Ahmednagar. Number of 5 districts in the Nasik division. Okay, sir. Okay. Number 6, Pune division. It is also known as Western Maharashtra. Pune, Satara, Sangli, Solapur, Kolhapur. These are the 5 districts into the Pune division. These are the division: Amravati division, Aurangabad division, Konkan division, Nagpur division, Nashik division, and last one is Pune division. These are the total 6 division, and the total 36 districts are there into the Maharashtra. Area details of the Maharashtra. Area of Maharashtra is 3,07,713 square kilometer. National rank of Maharashtra by area is 3rd after Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Largest district of Maharashtra by area is Ahmednagar. That is 17,048 square kilometer. Smallest district of Maharashtra by area is Mumbai city, 157 square kilometer. East-west extension of Maharashtra between extreme east and extreme west. That is 800 kilometer approximately, east to west. And north-south extension of Maharashtra between extreme north and extreme south. Extreme north means Nandurbar, 750 kilometer approximately. Coastal area of Maharashtra, that is Arabian Sea, part of Indian Ocean, is on the coast of Maharashtra, which is the west side of the state. Arabian Sea coastal length is 652.6 kilometers. There are 9 states and 4 union territories of India are situated on the coast. Maharashtra has the 4th largest coastal line. The first is the 3 states of India by the coastal length: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Coastal districts of Maharashtra, all 7 districts of Konkan division are the coastal districts of Maharashtra. Palghar, Thane, Mumbai suburban, Mumbai, Yes. Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurga. All coastal districts are given in north to south order. Thank you. This is the limitation of Maharashtra geographical. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome, sir. Most welcome. Is it over, sir?
Yes, sir. Please, you can start your presentation, please, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
First of all, I want to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to present myself in this session.
Yes.
Yes, Surunshi sir. Surunshi sir. Hello.
Yes.
Is your over? Hello.
Yes. Over, sir.
Okay.
Jadhav, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now I am going to present my PPTs here. The first part that we are going to discuss. First of all, I welcome all of you in the 11th session. The session number 11 is about geography and about quality education. First, our session is about the geography of Maharashtra. So, I want to share some points here of Maharashtra. The state shares its border with the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Goa. The minerals in Maharashtra are manganese, coal, iron ore, limestone, copper, bauxite, and petroleum. Major rivers of Maharashtra are Godavari River, Krishna River, Narmada River, and Tapi River. Major dams in Maharashtra are Batsa Dam on Batsa and Chorna rivers, Koyna Dam on Koyna River, Varna Dam or Varna River, Ujjaini Dam on Bhima River, Aruna Dam on Aruna River, and Upper Wardha Dam on Wardha River. State symbols are giant squirrel is the state animal of Maharashtra. Yellow-footed green pigeon is the state bird of Maharashtra. Mango tree is the state tree of Maharashtra. State flower of Maharashtra is Janrul. Some of the ornaments, some of the things that we can buy in Maharashtra are Kolhapuri chappal is very much famous. Kolhapuri jaggery is also famous in all over the India. Mahabaleshwar's strawberries are also famous in the all over India. Nashik's grapes are very much famous. Nashik's valley wine are also very much famous. Jalgaon's brinjals of Bengan ka bharta that we call Bengan ka bharta, that Bengan is very much famous in Jalgaon. Nagpur's oranges are famous. Solapur chaddar, Solapur terry towel, these two things are famous in Solapur. Puneri Pagdi. That Pagdi is so much famous in most of the Marathi cinemas. This Puneri Pagdi is used. Also, Paithani saris and fabrics of Paithan. In Nashik district, these saris are very much famous. Some of the famous art forms of Maharashtra are Lavani, then Tamasha, Koli dance, Dindi, and Dhangari Gaja. These famous art forms are in India. Western Ghats, Ajanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Elephanta Caves, Ellora Caves, these are the famous sites in Maharashtra. High courts of Maharashtra are Bombay High Court is one of the oldest high courts of India. It is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its jurisdiction covers the states of Maharashtra and Goa and the union territories of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Dipankar Datta is the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Number of seats in Maharashtra are number of seats in Legislative Assembly are 288. Number of seats in Legislative Council are 78. Seats in Rajya Sabha are 19. Seats in Lok Sabha are 48. These are the two important political personalities in Maharashtra. Bhagat Singh Koshari is the governor of Maharashtra. He is the 22nd governor of Maharashtra. And Uddhav Thackeray is the 19th chief minister of Maharashtra. There are, as our Mr. Suranshi sir told us that there are 6 neighboring states of Maharashtra. Then some of the districts of Amravati division, Amravati, Akola, Buldana, Washim, and Yavatmal. In Aurangabad division, there are 8 districts: Aurangabad, Jalna, Hingoli, Parbhani, Beed, Usmanabad, Latur, and Nanded. In Konkan division, there are 7 districts: Mumbai city, Mumbai suburban, Palghar, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg. In Nagpur division, there are 6 districts: Bhandara, Nagpur, Gondia, Wardha, Chandrapur, and Gadchiroli. In Nashik division, there are 5 districts: Nandurbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nashik, Ahmednagar. In Pune division, there are 5 districts: Pune, Satara, Sangli, Kolhapur, and Solapur. These are all 36. Area of Maharashtra in square kilometer. Can I start? Hello. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
3,07,713 square kilometer is the area of Maharashtra. The national rank of Maharashtra according by area is 3rd after Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The largest district of Maharashtra is Ahmednagar and it is 7,048 square kilometer. The smallest district of Maharashtra is Mumbai city. It is only 157 square kilometer. The east-west extension of Maharashtra is approximately 800 kilometer. The north-south extension of Maharashtra is 750 kilometer. It is approximately the coastal area of Maharashtra is about 652.6 kilometer near Arabian Sea. There are 9 states and 4 union territories in India and are situated at the coast. Maharashtra has the 4th longest coastal line. The first 3 sides of India by the coastal length are first of all Gujarat, the second Andhra Pradesh, and third one is Tamil Nadu. The coastal districts of Maharashtra are Palghar, Thane, Mumbai Suburban, Mumbai City, Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg. All coastal districts are given in north to south. Now, part second that I am going to discuss is about the status of COVID-19 in India. On 1st March 2021, new cases were found 12,286. 7-day average is 15,442. 2 years ago, the last updated numbers of total cases were 2.84 crore. Recovered cases out of them are 2.64 crore. Deaths were 3.38 lakh. Vaccines dose status is vaccination doses per day before were 24 crore lakh 26,265. The testing status up to June 2nd were 21,59,873. Government of India is taking all necessary steps to ensure that we are prepared well to face the challenge and threat posed by the growing pandemic of COVID-19, the coronavirus. The most important factor in preventing the spread of the virus locally is to empower the citizens with the right information and taking precautions as per the advisories being issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. We salute the healthcare heroes. What precautions we have to take? We have to maintain the social distancing, and we have to clean our house, our area also. The symptoms of corona are day cough, dry cough, high fever, sore throat, and deficiency in breathing. How it spreads? By air, by cough or sneeze, personal contacts, contaminated objects when we handle the contaminated objects, and the mass gathering. Through the mass gathering, the corona spreads. What preventions do we have? We have to take. The preventions, we clean our hands often, cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. avoid close contact with someone who is sick, clean and disinfect frequently, touch objects and surfaces. Then, what was the condition in our class that I'm going to share? We were in the touch of our students. We have taken so many programs, but online on Google Meet. We use the media Google Meet and also WhatsApp. These are some of the tests that we have taken of our students, but these tests were all tests were taken online. The different activities were also taken by our school. It is the lamp making activity taken by our school, and these are the lamps which were prepared by the students. These are lamps are prepared by our students in the Diwali. Also, the students work at home. This is the birth anniversary of Bainabai Chaudhary and also Dr. Rajendra Prasad's death anniversary and birth anniversary of both of the great people. Also, we have taken these kinds of programs. Here in Marathi, we say Hagwadim. We teachers and also the students cleaning the hands. We also take the reading activity on Vachan Prerna Din, the teachers and the students. In this way, we were in fully touch with the students. So this was about my presentation. I am very much thankful to all of my
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your
Very nice, sir. Yadav sir, very nice.
excellent,
Thank you.
excellent
Thanks a
presentation.
lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Nice presentation. Good.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, who is remaining?
Okay, sir.
Anyone
sir.
remaining?
Rao madam is remaining, but
But
Yeah,
he
we
is
are
not
finishing.
not in here. So Jadhav
Yes.
sir, please you can close this.
Okay.
Please. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Today we have completed our 11th session, and the session was about our geography, Maharashtra geography, our region geography, and the second topic was about the quality education that we have to discuss here. All of the honorable, our respective participants present themselves very nicely. First of all, I want to thank from the bottom of my heart Mr. Lokhande sir, who has presented his so well planned activities in this session. Secondly, I want to thank Mr. Palash sir and Shuli ma'am, who have present themselves very nicely with their very nicely prepared PPTs. Also, Mr. Suranshi sir, who has shown us the videos, and through the video, he has discussed about the geography of Maharashtra. Last and least, Ahira ma'am, who intended to present here, but I think she is not able to join after our second half. But we have to also thank her very much. And with the kind permission of Mr. Palash sir and
Yes, sir.
other
Yes, sir.
members, we can conclude our session here. Are all of you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please
Yes.
let's close our session.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
very
yes.
much.
Thank you.
everybody.
Thanks a lot.
Namaskar.
Bye, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum.
Namaskar.
Bye.
Walaikum salam. Bye.
Dear friends and viewers, thank you all for today, for the time being. Thank you all. Thank you very much.